Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm at the airport right now. I'm heading for a shoot to Gujarat. I've got very exciting news to tell you guys. Let me just settle down and then I will talk to you. Okay, my flight is at 7:30, so I thought let me have some McDonald's till then, till I'm waiting. Also, I'm gonna have some soft tea. I'm literally having a soft tea after ages, guys. I mean, who doesn't love soft tea? कभी कभी अपने बचपन की यादें भी ताज़ा कर लेनी चाहिए.
बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
Now I'm heading to the gate, and I still have to look for my gate where it is. And I have an early morning shoot tomorrow, so I will finish my shoot and then I'll head back to Mumbai. Then I have a couple of meetings there, and then later on the whole exciting travel plans which I'm going to tell you. Sometimes these airline guys are too much and they change the number of the gate. It was such a confusion. I had to run around and at last I reached my gate and then still there's no check-in. Supposed to be there is emergency. They are not really telling us what it is. And you can see the amount of crowd. So let's talk about my travel plans. As I was telling you guys that I am going to Prayagraj. That is obviously my hometown. Prayagraj was formerly known as Allahabad. अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो इसका पहले नाम Allahabad था, but now it is Prayagraj, and they are having this whole Kumbh Mela over there. और Kumbh Mela वहाँ पे 12 years के बाद आ रहा है. So it is like a spiritual gathering and it is going to be very exciting. People all over the world are coming to visit this Kumbh Mela. So I am going to be making the entire series and I'm going to show you step by step how to travel with your pet as well, which I'm still finding out because I want to take Zusi in the flight. It will be easier because flight में so सिर्फ 2 घंटे का रास्ता है. Indian Airlines are the only airlines which you can take your pet, but of course you have to put them in a small little, these little cages which you have, and you cannot put them on your lap. You have to put the cage under the seat. So I'm not sure. They're saying only 7 kgs are allowed. I don't think Zusi is a 7 kg dog because he is a miniature pug, but he's about, I think, 10 kgs. So that is really sad that in India that we are not allowed to take your dogs by flight. I think other countries have already started that. But now I will have to make reservations on the train. So on the first class coupe which you get, and you can take your pet. So there is an entire procedure how to go about it. So I will show you step by step procedure. And of course I'm so excited to meet my parents because I couldn't meet my parents in December and I couldn't spend time with them for Christmas and New Year's. I want to introduce you to my parents as I had told you in my earlier blogs. To take you along and show you the entire Kumbh Mela. It is happening after 12 years. I think a lot of celebrities are also going to be there. Also people from abroad are coming. They have made the entire Prayagraj so beautiful. From the entire train journey, if I get the flight, fantastic. It was nothing like it because it's like a 2-hour journey, and if not, it's going to be, I think, a 24 आवर्स जर्नी. बट मेरे बच्चे के लिए मैं कुछ भी करने के लिए रेडी हूँ क्योंकि उसको मैं छोड़ूंगी नहीं और उसको भी साथ में लेके जाऊंगी. प्लीज स्टे ट्यून फॉर माई एंटायर series of the Kumbh Mela. Supposed to be some passenger is painted. He was coming from the Rajkot flight and he's still inside the flight. So we are waiting outside. तो आज पता नहीं क्यों ये हो रहा है मेरे साथ. So this is what I'm wearing today, and now we are all waiting for the flight. So hopefully flight time पे रहेगी क्योंकि मुझे जल्दी पहुंचना है. अभी बहुत सारा crowd है और सब वेट कर रहे हैं और सब मुझे पागल समझ रहे हैं क्योंकि मैं बैठ के ब्लॉगिंग कर रही हूँ. Flight is delayed. We have to still wait. शूट से पहले ही मुझे एक पिंपल आ गया है. They've given us a little bag of snacks. पता नहीं क्या है इसमें. बैठ के खाना पड़ेगा और वेट करते रहना पड़ेगा जब तक पैसेंजर बाहर नहीं आते. Hopefully the passenger is all right. I don't know what exactly is happening, but they are saying that the passenger has fainted and there is an entire medical team which is taking care of the passenger inside the flight. I feel कि उनको बाहर तो लेके आना चाहिए, फ्लाइट के अंदर और सफोकेट हो रहे होंगे, पर I don't know, I'm not a medical person. So we all are waiting and let's see कितने बजे फ्लाइट जाएगी आज. पता नहीं क्यों सब कुछ डिले हो रहा है. पहले मेरी पैंट की जिप टूट गई, मैं एक पिंक कलर की पैंट पहनने वाली थी, फिर पूरा आउटफिट चेंज करना पड़ा, तो मैंने अच्छे से अपने कोरियन ट्राउजर्स पहने एंड ऑफ कोर्स जैकेट भी पहना है बिकॉज गुजरात में ज़्यादा ठंडी होगी. तब तक अपना स्नैक्स खा लेते. देखते हैं, अभी वेट तो कर ही रहे हैं, तो देखते हैं स्नैक्स में क्या है. They've given us some spicy dry fruits and a nice cookie, and I also have some real juice. So let's do one thing and have some real juice. Getting into the flight at last.
Early the next morning,
Good morning to all my beautiful people. I didn't get much sleep last night, so I might be a little puffy. I mean, no matter what, your hotel rooms can be as beautiful or as luxurious, पर अपना बेड तो अपना ही बेड होता है यार, उसी में बेस्ट नींद आती है. Don't you agree, guys? It's pretty early in the morning. There's lovely sunlight here. So I'm not really a breakfast person. Everybody else is going to be eating breakfast. My thing is that I get up in the morning and I have my coffee. I love coffee. Coffee is my number one thing. A lot of people will say कि breakfast खाना चाहिए, healthy है. Of course, breakfast खाना चाहिए, healthy है, but to each its own. And I feel that breakfast doesn't agree with me. I can't really get up in the morning and start eating. तो अभी ये plan है कि मैं अपना makeup करूँगी. Usually I do my basic makeup on my own because इतने साल अभी इंडस्ट्री में मेकअप कर करके मैं सीख गई हूँ, so I know my face very well. So I do my basic makeup and then I carry all my touch-ups with me. So when I go to the shoot, तो जो भी touch-ups करने होते हैं according to the outfit, touch-ups कर लेते हैं, like you know, eyeshadows, your lip colors, according to the outfit you can change. And of course I will do my hair and everything, change my outfit. I don't know how much blogging I can do over there because obviously they don't want to reveal the look. So देखती हूँ, अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ definitely आप लोगों के लिए करूँगी. Last night the whole flight and everything, and then hotel rooms you don't really get much sleep. So I'm not fully charged right now. So I think after having some coffee I'll get some energy. मुझे खाना मत दो चलेगा, पर कॉफ़ी तो चाहिए मुझे जीने के लिए. Coffee lovers. Absolutely love coffee. It's going to be a very hectic day. So this is the calm before the storm. This is my me self time where I can just relax. पूरा दिन शूट है, फिर वापस ट्रैवल भी है, and then I need to get back home. मेरा जूसी मेरा वेट कर रहा है. Miss my बाबा so much. And उसके बाद, as I told you, exciting travel plans and to Prayagraj and the whole entire series, the Mahakumbh Mela. I am so super excited, so excited for this entire series of Mahakumbh Mela. I think nobody knows that even I have a very spiritual side. I might look a little bubbly and fun and all of that, but I like peace and quiet now. I've discovered this whole spiritual side to me. and I love it. I love doing meditations. I love just being by myself now. It's okay. I don't need to be surrounded with a lot of crowd. I'm okay being by myself now. I accepted that, and that is fantastic. ज्ञान देने की तो मेरी आदत है जो आपको आगे भी मिलेगी, because I am Mulan 3, number 3, born in December. The planet Jupiter rules me, rules us all who are Mulan 3. तो ज्ञान लेना और ज्ञान देना दोनों मुझे बहुत पसंद है. सो डेफिनेटली आप मेरा एक स्पिरिचुअल साइड जो होगा वो अलाहाबाद के सीरीज़ में देखोगे, महाकुंभ. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड to go and see that how all these people come together for this whole spiritual gathering. The main part about Prayagraj is the Sangam. Sangam is Ganga, Jamna, Saraswati. तो गंगा और जमुना ऊपर जाती है और सरस्वती उसके नीचे फ्लोर करती है. But it is such a fantastic thing that Ganga, Jamna, even if you go by boat and you take the water and you try to mix it, the water is not going to mix. Isn't that fantastic? It's like a wonder, like wow. I'm going to finish my coffee. I don't have much time, so I'm just going to relax a little bit, start with my makeup, and then head for my shoot.
Later that same evening.
I just finished my shoot and came back to the room, and I have really high temperature. I think it got a viral. Like everybody was sneezing and coughing at the shoot, so I don't know if I picked it up from there, but or maybe from the airport. I can't say, but I'm feeling super sick. I got some medicines here, but I don't know if I should have them because my journey is not over. I still have to go back to Mumbai. I have a night flight till I don't reach my own home and get into bed, and that's where I'm going to crash. So I have to keep going, guys. It's fine. Hard work pays off. So, but anyways, I'm super sick. So all of a sudden I started getting fever and then I started shivering. I mean, I'm sitting over here and I put the AC off. I'm in a blanket. I'm covered up in layers. I'm wearing double socks. I'm gonna have some coffee. My throat is caught. My head is feeling heavy. But you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna get a power nap in before I leave for the airport, so I feel a little better. Thank you so much. Thank you.
ठंड बिल्कुल कम है.
काफी कम है ना, पर फिर भी मुझे तो इतनी हालत खराब हो गई मेरी, ये बहुत ज्यादा तबीयत खराब हो गई. बाय विनय जी, थैंक यू. रीच द एयरपोर्ट. Feeling much better because I had like half a medicine and I'll have half when I reach home. Just waiting to get into bed and sleep like a baby. So I hope you liked it. A day in my life. A very hectic day, that too. I might look super tired right now. So thanks for watching. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.